Addiction is a brain problem. It changes how the brain works, making the person crave their addiction even when they know it's harmful. Punishment can't rewire the brain, only recovery can. Shame, in fact, makes it worse. Many addicted people already feel guilty. Instead of helping, punishment can make them feel hopeless, which may drive them back to their addiction. Fear only works for a little while. Someone might stop for a short time if they're scared of losing their job, their marriage, or perhaps their reputation. But if they don't deal with the real problem, the roots, they will likely relapse. Rules alone won't fix it either. Some addicted people try to follow strict rules like never using a computer or avoiding certain places. But if they don't work on healing, they will find other ways to act out. So what actually helps? Instead of punishment, real change happens when people take responsibility for their actions. They get support from therapy or recovery groups. They learn healthy ways to handle stress and emotions. Addiction can't be punished away. It takes real healing and hard work to break free. Maybe these are familiar approaches that you've seen play out with your partner over the course of your relationship. If I didn't know better, I'd wager you're nodding along with a lot of what we've covered so far. You've likely tried everything you can think of to make this stop. Maybe you've changed the way you look. Maybe you've watched their every move. And maybe you've tried to make yourself emotionally unavailable. Or you've bent over backwards to meet every one of their needs, hoping they would finally choose you over their addiction. If so, I want to say this once again, loud and clear, for the people in the back. This is not your fault. It makes sense that you would try to find a way to stop the pain. When someone we love is hurting us, we naturally try to fix what's wrong. And when that person tells us or shows us that we're not enough, it's easy to believe we just need to be more. But addiction isn't something you caused, and it's not something you can cure.